everybody. Today I'm going to make you how to make Cartoon Cat roar or walk. So, first of all, you have to click this little arrow at the bottom where your Cartoon Cat's going to start. You have to move the legs like this. Just like that. You see, always put your animation speed at fast. If you don't know how to do that, you press these lines up here. Click on Edit Scene and press Animation Speed to fast. So that's how you do that. And then you just do your animation. If you still want it to walk, same things you do as the last time. And now I'm going to show you how to make him roar. So first you gotta make him stand, or even you can make him lay down like this and then go like this. Well, first you take any Cartoon Cat model again. Make them go like this. Move the arms slowly away and make Cartoon Cat tilt. Well, first make him look up this way, or maybe even like sitting down. So I'm gonna make him facing up. Either move the jaw. This one I don't have the jaw. Move the jaw of the bottom. I'm going to show you an example. Like if you have like this one, you move this bone like this, like that. And if you have a steak, you go like this. And then you make him roar. If you want to, you can add sound effects. And that's how you make him roar and walk. You can also make him roaring while he's walking. Just like that. And now look at your masterpiece. As you can see, I messed up at a part, which then you have to go back and then you fix it. So you go like this and you fix it. So like just like that. And that's how you make Cartoon Cat roar and walk at the same time. And maybe even just walk. And if you want it to stop, and then you just make the walking stop like this, and that's it. And that's how you make it stop. That's how you make Cartoon Cat walk and roar at the same time.